Vendcraftz snacks and beverage vending machine with 6 tray combination, refrigerated with touchscreen interface. The variants from 45 to 60 variants, and the capacity ranges from 350 to 400 capacity. The customer can select product from the screen and make payment via UPI QR and collect the product from the vending machine. There is an online dashboard where the client can monitor the sales and stock of the transactions. Add product, select the payment option, proceed to pay. Scan the QR from any UPI application. On payment confirmation, the product will dispense. You can collect the product from the delivery box.